Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is something super wearable and timeless. Everyday cotton kurta sets. You know I am all about comfort that looks stylish and this haul is exactly that. I have picked up some absolutely stunning pieces from two of my favorite brands, Tavi and Indoera. Each look is simple, elegant and perfect for those days when you want to look put together without trying too hard. These are the kind of pieces you will keep reaching for again and again, whether it's work, college, or simple casual outings. So sit back, relax, maybe grab your chai because we are diving into 7 beautiful looks that are classic, simple, and timeless. So let's get started. So let's start today's haul with this gorgeous look from brand Tavi. It is in this beautiful green color and Sanganeri print. Sanganer is a part of princely state of Jaipur and this set is printed in the traditional art from Sanganeri print. But Tavi has given it such a nice contemporary twist. The kurta itself is really simple straight cut kurta with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. But print itself does all the talking. It is so refreshing that you want to reach it for again and again. Also, if you look at really closely, kurta is in paneled design with 3 panels at the front where middle panel has this big contrast floral print and on the side panels it has the slightly smaller print. Also, there is this matching lace trim detailing given along the neckline and the same lace trim is given on the kurta hemline also. Small details like this makes the set really special. The set comes with matching printed trousers which are straight cut, partially elasticated, super comfortable to wear and comes with 2 pockets, so it is super functional for everyday wear. This is a kind of set you can wear for work or for work from home days or where you want to be super comfortable yet want to look stylish. Yeah, and it is made in pure cotton fabric, so it is perfect for all weather. For the styling, I paired it with silver oxidized jewelry, these earrings, a simple everyday wear bracelet. For the footwear, I paired it with my clear heels and give it a pop of color. I paired it with my Leno Paris red bag. Beautiful print, made in pure cotton fabric, super comfortable fitting, refreshing color. It has everything you need for everyday wear. Next up, again from Tavi, but this one is little different. It is made in cotton blend fabric and super elegant and graceful. Kurta is knee length with A-line shape, small round neckline and 3/4 sleeves. And what makes this set stand out is the self-textured detailing on the fabric. It adds so much character to the look without needing any print. Even neckline isn't plain either. It has nice beautiful tie-up detailing with this nice embroidery detail. Even sleeves are also not plain. They have slightly flared shape with this contrast print detailing on the sides and above the cuffs. And it is made in this gorgeous mauve shade, which is soft, feminine and perfect for everyday wear when you want to look put together but not being loud. Set comes with straight cut trousers which are made in pure cotton fabric. They are partially elasticated and comes with 1 pocket, but honestly reaching that pocket is not very graceful because there are no slits in the kurta. Why we need pocket in trousers when we have this pocket in kurta itself? Isn't it gorgeous? And the trousers has cropped shape, so it gives it that modern touch. Everyday kurta set styling, we need accessories which is lightweight, very easy to wear day after day. So I am keeping jewelry very minimal in this haul and mostly I am repeating it. So again, the same silver oxidized earring, bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I finished the look with my guest structured bag. because this is a kind of look which you can easily wear for work or casual coffee meets. Moving on to next one, this gorgeous maroon paisley printed kurta set from brand Indo-Era. Now this is what I call simple but smart design. Made in pure cotton fabric, so it is super comfortable and breathable for all day wear. The kurta has classic notch neckline and 3/4 sleeves. But what makes it instantly special is this blue contrast lace detailing on the front and on the sleeves. Actually, kurta is in panel design, and between the panels they have given this contrast blue color lace detailing, which instantly elevates the look and take it to another level. On the top of that, very subtle sequence detailing in the yoke shape in the front of kurta with contrast blue outline. Very subtle detail, but details like this shows the design sophistication. It comes with simple straight trousers in slightly different print, which complements the kurta beautifully. The same print is repeated on sleeve cuffs too, which instantly feels really thought out and coordinated. Styling is very minimal with these earrings because it has nice blue color which is matching with the contrast lace detailing. Again, a simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels, and again my favorite Guess structured bag, because again it is a office wear look, or you can wear it for college or just for running errands. It's that everyday sophistication that Indo-Era does best. Simple, elegant and truly timeless. Next up, again from Tavi, in this beautiful indigo shade. It is in this gorgeous Sanganeri print, but it is oversized and in shirt style. Kurta has oversized design with high-low hemline, which gives it that relaxed modern vibe, and print play here is so stunning. It blended beautifully in this set. Design is quite simple. It has shirt collar with V neckline, 3/4 puff sleeves. But what makes it special is attention to detail. There is another print running along the placket on the side slits, which makes it extra special. And there is this back yoke detail with the pleats below it, which gives it nice flare and oversized look. Another pleat is in the front also, which balances the silhouette. Now, sleeves are also special. They have this puff design with small gathers and white lace trim detailing along the cuffs. Trousers are super simple, partially elasticated waistband, cropped, straight cut, perfect for long hours. Now I style this look with these gorgeous earrings, matching bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I finished the look with my brown bag, and I'm good to go. And honestly, that's all you need. Clean, easy, perfect for office, college, or even for travel when you want to wear something comfy yet stylish. Next up, another gorgeous look from Tavi, and it is in this beautiful blue-green shade, and I absolutely love how it mixes solids with Sanganeri print beautifully. The kurta has calf length with A-line design. It has small round neckline with this beautiful tie-up detail with tassels. Look at these. They add such a nice playful touch to the look. It has square neck design in Sanganeri print in same shade, and there are pleats below it which gives a nice gentle flare to the kurta. Now the sleeves are also made in the same print with border detailing, which gives it that balanced, well coordinated feel. There is also matching lace trim detailing on the yoke, which is really subtle and give this set that handcrafted feel. And kurta comes with 2 pockets, so it is super functional, and this is a kind of kurta you can wear as a dress also. But the set comes with the same printed trousers as yoke. They are partially elasticated and slightly cropped so it has that modern contemporary vibe to it. I styled this look again with these earrings with blue tint, simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, must harbor heels again, and for the bag, guess structured bag. This is a kind of set you can wear it for small festive gathering, family lunches, even on work on casual Fridays. It has that easy breezy vibe but still looks put together. Next one is again from my absolute favorite brand, Indoera. This is blue ethnic motif printed kurta set with empire waistline. The kurta has flattering V neckline with this beautiful empire waistline which gives it that desi feminine touch. It comes with 3/4 sleeves and there are gathers below the yoke which gives it a nice flow. Not too much volume but the beautiful gentle flare. Set comes with matching partially elasticated trousers which are super comfortable for all day wear. This blue color and ethnic motif print makes it truly timeless. I styled this set with these gorgeous jewelry, these earrings, bracelet, for the footwear my clear heels and brown bag. This set is perfect for office wear. Classy, stylish and effortlessly elegant. This last look is again from Tavi and trust me, this one is super gorgeous. It has A-line shape in this beautiful Kali design. But what makes it stand out is this print play here. It is in this gorgeous blue shade with flattering V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. This entire kurta designed in beautiful kalis which start right from the shoulders and flares out beautifully, which gives it a nice beautiful movement. It is a calf length kurta in this gorgeous blue shade, but what interesting is this, they have used 4 different prints in this kurta. They are all from same color family, but the print size is different which makes it modern and visually interesting. Sleeves also follow the same color story. They are in one print followed by another print border. Set comes with 2 pockets that are not only pretty but really practical too. Then set comes with partially elasticated trousers and they are in solid blue color which balances the busy print on the kurta. Now I styled this gorgeous set with these owl earrings, silver oxidized bracelet, for the footwear clear heels, and I finished the look with brown bag. This set is perfect when you want to look effortlessly put together. It is perfect for puja at home or family get-togethers or small festive lunches. You can wear this easily to the office if you exercise it properly. That's the haul, guys. Tell me in the comments which look you like the most. These are all from my favorite brand Tavi and Indoera. Please tell me, have you ever tried this brand? Or which brand you like the most? I really want to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me what you want to see the next. So I'll see you with the same styling story. Bye!